Welcome to Romeo Maths and Science class. Today we want to look at how we can solve these questions on the board by using the laws and properties of logarithm that we studied in our previous meeting. I'm going to solve question number 1 and number 2 so that you try number 3 to number 7 and put your answer in the comment section. All right, let us look at question number 1. We have been asked to solve this equation, which means that we are looking for x. The first approach to this question is that, first of all, you look behind the logs, whether there is a number there. If there is a number there, you move it as an exponent to the numbers in front of the log. Therefore, we can see that we have a number which is 3 behind the log here. So we'll move it as an exponent to this number that we have here. And that will give us log x raised to the power 3 base 10 plus log 3 base 10 equal to log 81 base 10. Now, at this level, we are going to use the law of log, which states that if the base are the same and they are adding, we are going to multiply the numbers here. So this will give us log 3 multiplying x cubed base 10, all right, equal to log 81 base 10. At this level, where we have a single log here and another single log here, we find antilog of both sides, all right? And by finding antilog of both sides, these two logs will cancel out. Therefore, we have 3x raised to the power 3 equal to 81. We divide here by 3, here by 3. Therefore, our s cube is going to give us 27. Now, we need to get rid of the cube by finding cube root of both sides of the equation. Therefore, we have x equal to cube root of 27. And when we find cube root of 27, we are going to get 3. So this is how we can simplify our first question on the board. Now, let us look at our question 2 here. Now, with the question 2 here, we don't have any number behind the log. So we can go straight with our log. We state that if the base are the same and they are subtracting, we divide the numbers. Therefore, I'm going to have log, that is 8x plus 1 all over 2x plus 1 base 10, as we can see, should be equal to log x plus 2 base 10. So this is our first approach. Since we have a single log on the left-hand side and a single log on the right-hand side, we find antilog of both sides. By finding antilog of both sides, these two logs will cancel out. Therefore, we are going to have 8x plus 1 all over 2x plus 1 equal to x plus 2. And this is simple equation. We are going to do cross multiplication, where this will multiply this, and this is over 1. This will also multiply this. So this multiplying this, we have 2x plus 1 multiplying x plus 2 equal to, this will multiply the 1, which we are going to get 8x plus 1. Let us expand this and see. This times this will give us, that is 2x squared plus 4x plus x plus 2, all right, equal to 8x plus 1. At this level, we simplify this, and that will give us 5x plus 2 equal to 8x plus 1. Now, there is an emergency of quadratic equation here because our highest power of the variable here is 2. So what are we going to do? We send all numbers with variables to one side and equate it to 0. Therefore, I have 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. This will come here minus 8x. This will also cross minus 1 equal to 0. Now let us simplify this. So I have 2x squared, all right, and I have 5x minus 8x. That will give me minus 3x. I have 2 minus 1, and it's going to give me 1 equal to 0. So we have quadratic equation here. We can use our formula approach or use the factorization approach. But in this case, let's see how we can use the factorization approach. All right, we use the coefficient of the x squared to multiply the constant here, which gives us 2. Now, two numbers, when we multiply, we'll get 2. But when we add them, we'll get the constant here, which is what? Negative 3. And we are going to say that negative 2 times negative 1, all right, will give us 2. And negative 2 plus negative 1 will give us negative 3. So our factors are going to be negative 2, negative 1. So we are going to use it to replace the negative 3x. So we have 2x squared minus 2x minus 1x, but we just say x plus 1 equal to 0. Here we factorize. We group them 2, 2, and factorize, all right? So 2 out, x minus 1, all right? And what again? Minus 1 out, x minus 1 equal to 0. So we group outsiders, and that will give us 2x minus 1. Since this and that are the same, you pick only one. So we have x minus 1 equal to 0. At this level, we pick each of them and equate it to 0. Then we find our x, all right, as you can see. So x will be equal to half, all right. The next one, which we have x minus 1 equal to 0, we are going to have x equal to 1. Therefore, x equal to 1 over 2 or positive 1, as you can see. So this is how we can simplify these questions here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.